breathing. Breathing is very, very, very important. I've just spoken about breathing. It is the engine that's going to basically control all the notes that you're going to be doing. If you're putting the right amount of air pressure underneath your vocal cords, you should be sounding good most of the time. It will help you with your projection, vibrato, control, and different volume variances. It's very, very important. Does anybody want to come up and be a volunteer up here today? Now I'm going to teach you guys all how to breathe today, but it'd be good to have a male and a female volunteer. We'll go with this girl because she said, yeah, dark hair. You put your hand up first with the glasses. Excellent. And you're the only guy, so let's get up here. It's my stage, it's your stage. What's your name? Tyler. Nice to meet you, Tyler. Alex. Guys, put your hands together for Tyler and Alex. Okay, we'll have a little bit of intro for Tyler. I'll give one for Alex as well too, okay? Guys, all you're just going to sing is whoa, and then whoa. When I say wave your hands in the air, you're going to do it. Tyler's in the house! Tyler's in the house! Wave your hands in the air like you just don't care, say whoa! Whoa! Alright, we're going to do one for Alex as well too. Alex is in the house! Alex is in the house! Wave your hands in the air like you just don't care, say whoa! 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 These guys sound pretty good, Tyler. I think I'm done. Thanks for coming up and helping us, guys. Okay, so I'm going to teach you all how to properly take a singer's proper diaphragmatic breath here today. It's pretty easy. Can everyone please be upstanding? So, if you can all see me. Now, guys, if you can sort of just turn a little bit this way so that the crowd can see you guys as well too. We're going to pop our hand on our diaphragm area, which is the V area of your stomach, so the top end there. Okay, so we all pop your hand up there for us. Just a little bit lower, I can see just a little bit lower. You want your thumb to be just on the top of the ribs there. So right here, this is my ribs here. You want it really low here. Fantastic, everyone got the hand there. I want you to do one thing for me now. I want you to breathe out all of, yeah?
No, sorry, I was copying what you were doing, sorry.
That's okay. Now, I want you to do one thing for me. I want you to breathe out all of your air and pull your stomach in and be skinny. So let's do this, guys. So breathe out all your air, pull your stomach in. Fantastic. Excellent, fantastic. Everyone got that?
Wow.
Fantastic. Now what we're going to do is just relax. We're going to do that again in a second, but when we breathe air in, we're going to breathe air into our belly button. I want you to breathe air into your hand, and I want you to stick your stomach out and be fat. That's what I want you guys to do. So we're going to try this again. Okay, so we're going to breathe out all your air, pull your stomach in, be skinny. Now, let's breathe air into your belly button, stick your stomach out, be fat. Fantastic. Great work, Alex, Tyler. Let's breathe it out, pull your stomach in. And guys, all breathing through your mouth with singing. This is too long. It takes too long to go through your nose. Also, it's too loud if you're in the recording studio as well too. So we're just going to try that again. We're going to breathe all your air out, pull your stomach in. Be skinny. And as you breathe air in, stick your stomach out. That's it. Feel that you're breathing down low into your stomach. Breathe it all out, pull your stomach in. And breathe air in and stick your stomach out. Fantastic. These guys are slaying it. Fantastic work. Okay, now, was everyone getting that technique? Now, if you didn't, tell me. Put your hand up because I'd love to help you out. Is everyone feeling that they were diaphragmatically breathing deep into their lungs there? Fantastic. That's great. This is going to go quicker than what I thought. Okay, excellent. I'm going to tell you, I thought there might have been some people that were having some problems with their breathing. So I'm going to tell you another technique. If you want to really fast track your breathing, this is a size 3 basketball. I highly suggest laying on this basketball right in the V area here, breathing out all of your air, staying super relaxed. Try to feel a heartbeat and a pulse in the ball, and this is going to heighten your mind that 90% of your lungs are down here. It's also going to manually stretch out this lower lung capacity, so you're going to feel it's a lot easier to breathe down here in the lower lung capacity when you're doing this. Now, Tyler, do you want to have a go at this? I'm going to have a go at it first, so I'm going to do it down here so everyone can see me. But this is going to fast track your breathing. Just in the V here, like this. Breathe out all your air. Looks funny. This lady's saying, I wish over here. 10 to 30 seconds, breathe out all your air. Feel the heartbeat, the pulse. Tyler, do you want to do it down here or up there? Okay, jump on the ball. So, Tyler, we want to make sure it's right in the V of the ribs. That's it. Yeah, beautiful. Sorry, jump on the ball. No, it's uncomfortable. It's going to feel like it's you're slightly getting winded. Tyler, knees on the ground. Everything relaxed, super relaxed. Tyler, I'm just going to see it's in the right place here, okay? Just relax. Yeah, this is great. Breathe out all your air, Tyler. Do you feel the heartbeat, the pulse? Relax. Tyler, do you feel the heartbeat, the pulse, Tyler? Okay, relax. Breathe out all your air. Try not to breathe and relax. Feel the heartbeat and pulse?
Yeah.
Excellent. 10 to 30 seconds, guys. Whenever you want to stand up, Tyler, you can stand up. Pop your hand in your stomach. Does this area feel stretched out and loosened and relaxed, Tyler? It does. Great. Pop your hand in your stomach. A little bit lower. Breathe out all your air, Tyler. Geez, you're big in the shoulders. You're making me look bad, Tyler. Breathe all that. Now stick your stomach out. Breathe air in. Good. All breathing through the mouth, Tyler. Breathe all that. Fantastic. Good work. Excellent. Breathe it in. Good work. Good work. Come back up here, Tyler. Fantastic. So guys, that's going to fast track your breathing if you really want to fast track your breathing. Now, a lot of you guys said that you wanted to develop some strength and power in your voice. Guys, don't sit down. Let's get up. Let's get up. We're going to be interactive in this one. Now, I'm going to teach you a technique to develop more strength and power in your voice that we're going to put into place in about 10 minutes, okay? So, we're going to take that same proper diaphragmatic breath. This is called a singer's diaphragmatic breath. And when we breathe air in, we've got this fully loaded up with air. And it's got to be comfortably full as well too, guys. Don't feel like you're about to explode. So feel it's comfortably full down here. What I want you to do is when this is full, I want you just to slightly tighten your stomach muscles. So you're feeling this pressure underneath your vocal cords. You probably felt this if someone's come up and slightly punched you, pretend to punch you in the stomach when you've had a full breath of air. You're going to get up. Because this is how we're going to develop strength and power. It's all going to come from here, okay? So we're going to try this breathing technique again, okay? So we're going to breathe all your air out, be skinny. All right. We're going to stick your stomach out, breathe air in. Good, we're going to have one more rotation. Breathe it all out. And breathe it air in. Stop, tighten. Excellent. Breathe it all out. Okay, fantastic. Guys, did you feel that? Work up on stage. Now, when we're feeling this particular sensation, we want to be using your diaphragm like this when we're going to be singing high notes. It's very important to do this. This is where your power, strength, projection, support, and vibrato come from. Has everyone got that? Does everyone feel that they're developing power from doing that there? Fantastic. No questions regarding breathing? Yes. It's a size 3 basketball, and today I'm sponsored by Nike. It's a size 3 basketball. So everyone here, unless you're like 5 foot, you might want to get a size 2, but a size 3 is perfect. And I always like to try to use a basketball because if I use a soccer ball or a softball, it kind of goes sideways, but this stays right in this area and it gets a really good stretch, and it's an amazing technique. I've taught 6-year-olds to 80-year-olds to breathe like this in 30 seconds and get it happening in songs straight away. So it's a fantastic little technique if you really want to fast track your breathing. Okay, now we're going to have a little bit of a sing. Guys, you can go. Tyler, good work. Alex, fantastic. All right.